Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jadeywadey180. Today's video is all about matte velvety skin. So I'm going to teach you how I do my perfect base that's contoured. It's going to last you all day long and people are going to ask if you even have pores. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so the key to makeup that lasts is using a good primer. I like to use the YSL Beauty Blur and just pat it into my skin before my foundation. And the foundation I've been loving lately for a very matte coverage is the Born This Way Concealer in shade Golden from Too Faced. And I like this concealer the most because it dries down, so you don't need to use a lot of powder. I definitely would suggest this look for anyone that's super oily out there. Probably wouldn't be the best for someone dry because we're going to be very matte today. So go ahead and blend this in with a damp beauty blender to make it look real flawless. For my contour, when I want like a really matte sculpted look, I like to use the Quick Trick Stick in shade Semi Sweet from MAC Cosmetics. I really like the shade. It's like a cool toned brown and it's really creamy, so it blends out really nicely, but it kind of dries down, so you're not going to get any oiliness around that area. And I have a lot of tutorials on how I do my in-depth contour, so check out my other videos to see all of those. For my concealer, I love the Essential High Coverage from Jouer. It's like so full coverage, you guys. It will hide any under eye bags, any darkness. It will just brighten up your face. And I like to use a stippling brush to blend this all out. Personally, my skin is super oily, so I love a very matte base, something that's going to last me all day long. Whenever I go to events, like I don't want to be touching up. So I will have to say all these products that I'm showing you guys are ones that hands down, I know they work, they last, and they will look amazing in photos. By the way, no, I do not have a nose job. It's just contour, baby. So if you've been a follower for a while, you know that I am obsessed with these Benefit Hello Flawless powders. And I cannot express enough how important they are if you love a matte base. So I like to apply these powders on all over my face first, and then we can move on to the translucent, and this is gonna give that very velvety finish. So now on top of that powder, we're gonna bake with the Huda Beauty Translucent in shade Banana Bread. And I just have to say, this stuff is sweat-proof, it is waterproof, you could splash juice all over your face and I'm pretty sure your makeup would still stay. So if you're looking for something very strong, but still gonna give you that nice buttery finish, this is it. Once you have baked for at least 5 minutes, go ahead and use a puff and just press the rest into your face. I'm really into 90s makeup, so I love to use very muted peaches and mauves for my blush. This is from the Ofra palette. It has lots of really good colors. So even though we're going for a very matte look all around, I love to have glow in all the right places. So this is the Omega highlighter from Marc Jacobs, and man, is it beaming. And once your highlight is done, we are all complete. You don't need to put any setting spray. I promise you, this will not move. I really hope you guys enjoyed this matte face tutorial. Let me know what you think down below. And again, don't forget to subscribe to be part of my 180 Glam fam. Love you guys so much. See you in the next one.